Hello friends, welcome to Learn Depot. In this video, we are going to see how to install and run the Redis server in Windows operating system using Docker, right? So Docker is an open source platform that enables developers to build, deploy, run, update, and manage containers. The containers, what it means, the essential things which is required to run an app, essential like we can say resources, right? So what we do, we simply take that all resources and put it inside a folder and save it. That folder is now called a container, which has essential things or the resources which is needed by a server or an application to run so that it is easy for everyone to access it and for the operator to update it or to edit it something what he wants to do, right? So after that, Redis, you already know it. This is yeah, you know it. So let's start with the let's. So let's go install, right? So again, you need a browser and simply type Docker. Yeah, simply type Docker. That's it. So simply just click it. Click on Docker Desktop for Windows, and I'm going to download it in download one. No problem. I'll install it again. So I'm going to fast forward the video to minimize the time. As you can see, we successfully installed the installer of Docker Desktop, right? So what you need to do, simply click and let's exit this one, close this. No, I don't want to save that. Okay. So yeah, I need to install it. Yep. So again, I'm going to fast forward this. Okay. So yeah, I need to share something also. Let me share over here. Yeah, as you can see, I almost uploaded 25 videos and only 14 subscribers for that. Yeah, so see, just visit my videos and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, please. Okay. So if you are suggesting like the places where I need to improve something, just comment that below. Okay, so it will be helpful for my improvement, right? So yeah, let's continue the video. It takes a huge time, so just fast forwarding it. Okay, yeah, we are completed with the installation. Just close it and just open the CMD. Simple CMD. Okay, so what you need to do is simply type Docker version. If this line shown up, then your installed Docker successful. All right, so let's begin. So simply type Docker pull Redis. Okay, wait. So it is saying failed to connect Docker. Yeah. So before that, we need to make sure the Docker application is running in the background. Make sure that. Let's see, that's it. So I'm just hiding something, okay, to maintain my privacy. Okay, done that. So you need to just log in. Okay, so it is starting the Docker engine. So yeah, just minimize the app. So re-enter that Docker pull Redis, right? So now it is just pulling the file in the Docker for you, the Redis files, right? So it's just pulling out. So we downloaded, right? So we are just need to run it. So simply Docker, okay, Docker run default p, and the port is 379, again 3 sorry 63979, and name your wish. I'm using this name, which is Redis 1 and Redis. So now if you're if this line is visible, then the server, like Redis server, is started on the name of this Redis one, right? So we can check by Docker ps. So it is running. The ID is there, and the name is image, and the name is over here. Okay, so we're not need to access. So Docker exec and dash id, like it, Redis one, Redis CLI. So as you can see, we set up same testing thing, ping pong. We got it. Then we need to set a key which has a value of value. So when you are trying to get it, so as you can see, we successfully installed the Redis. First thing I showed that, what is that? Let's, first thing was, let's say int. First thing was we saw that Windows thing, right? Windows thing, yeah, Windows thing. And the second thing was what we did. We used what? WSL, right? Yeah, WSL. And the third thing was we used Docker. Yeah. So let's push this and range int 0 minus 1. So as you can see, yeah, okay. So let's wind up the video over here. And before going to wind up, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, right? So for more and more this type of videos, just click the bell icon. And if you want any suggestions, or if you want any type of video, just comment me below. I would definitely going to upload that for you. Okay guys, bye.